Lens, laser engineered net shaping. At least two conditions have to fulfill to manufacture a product with a high added value. We need a sophisticated technology that offers possibility to manufacture the most demanding product from different material, and we need business idea to apply the technology in area that contribute the most to the competitiveness. Laser engineered net shaping is one of these sophisticated technologies, and it has many advantages in comparison with conventional technologies and many area of application. Selective laser sintering SLS lens 3D 3D welding, microcasting, 3D cladding, and shape deposition manufacturing are some important process for the rapid prototyping system. One of the most promising is lens technology that is used to fabricate fully dense metal part directly from the CAD solid model. Lens is a laser fabrication technique developed at Sandia National Lab for producing components that are difficult or impossible to process through conventional metal forming techniques. The process is similar to the traditional laser initiated rapid prototyping technology such as stereolithography and selective laser sintering. In that layer, additive techniques are used to fabricate a physical part directly from the CAD data. By using the coordinates de- delivery of metal particle into a focused laser beam, each part is generated. The laser beam create a molten pool of metal on a substrate into which powder is injected. Concurrently, the substrate on which the deposition is occurring is moved under the beam powder inter, interaction zone to fabricate the desired cross sectional geometry. Consecutive layers are additively deposited, thereby producing a 3D part. The process exhibits enormous potential to revolutionize the way in which metal parts such as a complex prototype tooling and small lot pro- production part are produced. The result is a complex, fully dense, near net shape part. Lens has many potential applications including rapid prototyping, rapid tooling, and dissimilar metal joining. Samples have been successfully manufactured from a variety of materials including steel, stainless steel, nickel-based alloy, refractory material, tools, steel alloy, titanium, and intermetallic compound. Lens is a technology that is gaining in importance, and it is in early stage of commercialization. Its strength lies in the ability to fabricate fully dense metal part with a good metallurgical properties as reasonable speed. The main advantage of lens are fabricate of fabrication of complex product, novel shapes, hollow structure, and material gradient that are not otherwise feasible. Efficient approach that reduce production cost and shorten time to market for high value component. Excellent properties, possibility to combine different materials, significantly reduced material waste, direct manufacturing from CAD to part, computer supported process with closed loop for precision deposition control. The tool making industry produce high complex tool needed for manufacturing of product in automotive, aerospace, and other industries. One of the most promising applications for lens is the manufacturing of plastic injection tool and die casting tool. Lens enable building complex shape. Lens, tech, lens technology enable building these cooling channel in a variety of extremely sophisticated shape. A lens is a highly targeted metal deposition technology that produces a very high fine weld bed, exposing the component to far less than conventional method. The resulting heat affected zone with lens is smaller and more controlled, so that the repair process does not damage the underlying part. And since a lens deposit is much finer and more precise than welding techniques, far less finishing work is required. The superior material properties with lens extend the component life, reducing the life cycle cost. Microscopy studies shows that the lens part to be fully dense with no compositional degradation. Mechanical testing reveal outstanding as fabricated mechanical property. The process also improved design flexibility by allowing novel geometry, structure, and material gradients. Lens is a unique processing system for fabricating metal parts with fast localized cooling of the molten pool part within wall and high depth to diameter aspect ratio are easily fabricated. Part have been fabricated with 0.14 inch, that is 0.356 mm diameter hole in 1 inch tall, having a depth to diameter aspect ratio of more than 70 to 1. Tall, thin walled part, the thickness of one laser pass, are built rapidly using the lens process. The part shows in second figure is 6 inch tall and was built in less than 2 hours. Another unique processing feature of lens is the capability of selectively applying metal to existing part or repairing worn or broken part while maintaining the integrity of the parent material. Lens is highly targeted metal deposition technology that produces a very high weld bed. Tools, tools are often subjected to wear in specific areas. Since lens is a highly targeted solution that can be precisely add material to worn or damaged area with minimal heat effect. It enables repairing of the most sensitive thin-walled component. The lens system integrates well with conventional processes to create unique hybrid manufacturing solution. For instance, lens can be used to enhance an e- existing component by adding layer of wear resistance material or other surface treatment.